Welcome to my channel, Planning with Maserati. I'm going to be doing a decorate with me, and I think this is Once More with Love, if I'm not mistaken. In my Craftsmith Capital Chic Design Planner for August 16th through the 22nd. I like to be a week ahead, so when the 7th comes, I can post the 16th. And then when the following week, the 23rd comes, I could post the 16th. So post the 16th for the 23rd, post the 7th for the 16th, so I'm a week ahead. Well, wrong one was ready. So let's begin with a big thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video. That'd be greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. I'm trying to get it closer, but my camera, or it's my tripod, likes to lean a lot. I think it's going to lean that way now. Okay, so let's get started. This is for the week if you're doing different, like, trackers. But I have the trackers down here. Oh, ruler. I'm ready. Where's the ruler? What did you do? Where did I put it? Oh, I think it's in my purse. Okay, so let me find something to do a rule. Oh, I don't want to use a book. Actually, I don't need a ruler. Well, I could use it, like, right here. But that's okay. Hydrate. That's my H2O. And then it's no spend. I'm going to do this for the whole month. Okay, so the soda part is not very good. The no spend is not very good. But the H2O is really good. The hydrate. I've been on my hydration. Okay, so I'm still going to keep tracking it though. Push this back just a tad bit. I don't know what. I think it's just so heavy that it's leaning this way because of how white it is. Okay. So anyway, let's begin. Because I'll keep rambling. Alright, so the 16th, I'm going to check appointments first. So I have one on the 15th and the 17th. I have two. So the 15th, I have one. Well, we're looking at the 16th. Wait, why is this the 16th on a... This is not even dated. I was already... Really? Alright, let's get the... For the dating. That is why it doesn't make any sense to me. Alright, so let's grab my stickers and my date dots. I was like, why does it say the 16th? So scratch that. It's not the 16th. It is the 14th. We're just going to go with the gold one here. And should I get tweezers? Probably not. Let's get the days of the week. Because clearly it's in another planner, I think. Right? Just trying to see if it's in here really quick. I don't know what I do with you. It's probably in another planner. Alright, so let me just get the days of the week. I'll use now this one. Sorry about that. So here we go. This pretty little Monday. Oh, that's gonna fit perfect. Okay. And if I need to cut it, I could cut it. And then, of course, you know what happened, right? You know the drill. It's crooked. So it took me 4 minutes to figure out that this was a 2021-2022 planner. Okay, so we got the 14th. Okay, so let me put the days of the week because that's going to take me the most time. Trying to keep it straight. Okay, double check the number. correct? Okay, so the 14th. And we are doing the gold. 15th. 16th. Now that makes more sense. Okay, and now let's do... We only need these 2 pages, Maserati. You don't need this whole book. She gets so greedy sometimes. I could have went with the color of the black, but I kind of like the gold on the gold. Okay, so Thursday. Almost done here. With at least the dates and the days of the week. See, it looks so much better with the gold. Okay, so that one's done. There is a notes section we can actually add. That one, I'll do as it ends. Right here. It looks cute. Okay. So now we can just finish dating. So the 17th. See, this part is not the hard part. It's remembering that this was a dated planner. 19. And then 20. Okay, so let's just double check with the week. 14th through the 20th. 14th through the 20th. So 14 here, 20th here. So now the 15th and the 17th are appointments. So the 15th and the 17th. I knew something was wrong when I kept saying that, and it didn't look like it. Okay, here's our bill dues. So we can use this one. So what time is the 17th? So I have one at 10:30, one at 2:30. So the 2:30 I'm going to put in the afternoon. I'm going to kind of leave it like if this was the morning and the afternoon. And then, well, that was perfect. Here is the 17th for the morning. Let me see if I can fix this one because this is really bad. Okay. And then the 15th is afternoon, 1:45. Now, I don't know if you do this, but I just started doing this. Because the Happy Planner, if you remember, was morning, afternoon, and then evening. So this is Loyola. 1:45 PT. And then, sorry, I keep flipping. Loyola. 10:30. That's PT. This is Dr. Albee. This one is my heart doctor. And she is at 2:30. Did I do that right? Yeah, 2:30 p.m. Okay. 2 appointments done. Alright, so we have the appointments finished. Now here, I'm looking at maybe a side. Does this fit? This one might fit. Let's see. I'm gonna try this pink one for the weekend. Let's see. Oh, it does. Was this made for this? Oh, it fits perfectly. Happy Planner does not. This one does. And then, okay, so we have the tracker. We don't need that. Which I'm looking at here. These habit trackers. Important. Those would be the important ones. Okay, so let's see sidebar. There is 2. I think I'm going to go pink because I went pink here. So weekly highlight. Ooh, but I like the paw print first. So I might do the weekly highlight on the weekend. Or know what? I'm going to do this. we're gonna just do this like so. Did I seriously get that even? You know what's so good about that? The lines kind of like blend in, so you can see it. Okay, so the weekly highlight is gonna be on the weekend. So anything I need to get through the whole week, I'm just gonna put it on the weekend. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, I hope this works. Good. Okay, so that takes care of that one. Sorry, I had to slide it over for a second. I think I'll put this one for Monday. Because, I mean, it's an empty box. Why not? Just give it some deco. And then we have another one we could put for Friday. Says anything important that needs to get done. And there's like no headers. I don't understand why. Okay, so definitely have to use this. Meow forever. It reminds me of my cat. Best for friends. Yes, she was. She was my little best one. I think I'm gonna put this one. Actually, we'll put it here above Sunday. Cool. Look how cute that turned out. We ain't gonna stop there. I adore you. Aw. I'll put that down here. And then, how cute would that be? Like that. Oh, but it's see-through. Oh, crap. It should have been white. Please get up early. I mean, early. Get up early. Maserati is funny. I mean, get, up off the sticker. I'm going to just put it in. There's too many fur friends there. I think I'm going to put it right here. I adore you. Something like, looking like something like this. That's good. That's crooked. Okay, and what else? I like how it's turning out. I wish it was more full or fuller. See, I don't want to put the same fur friends. Oh, see, it's like this one here. I don't want to put the same ones. Let's double check. Okay, so we have a pink one. We could use that one. Don't take the sticker with it. I mean, the paper. Okay, that's cool. We have this blue one. I think I'm going to put it for the weekend. Like this. Let it intertwine. That looks good. You can see it, right? Need something down here. You could probably just put priority right here. Okay. I don't want to do checklist. It wouldn't make any sense. But I'm looking for like maybe a full box that has something cute. Let's see, this one, I don't want too much pink together. Like that. Oh yeah. And then I kind of like that one here. You make me smile. That's already is really pushing it now. I think that's it, because there's really, I keep going to the same thing. Yeah, so that's it. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, that'd be greatly appreciated. As always, thank you for watching. I would tell you the name of the book, actually, but I took it apart. So that is what's left of it. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.